We're now performing an injection mold cavity gate repair using filler material on the 7700 series Laser Star welder along with the universal jig assembly. This allows the operator to perform the operation in a Class 4 environment and have full freedom of movement to ensure they have no restrictions in a Class 1 enclosure. Although safety glasses need to be worn, this is the preferred method to be able to apply the technology to the widest range and size of component parts. Filler material is added, and then the operator removes the wire to perform the smoothing process. As the operator continues to fill the gate, they're rebuilding the alloy to ensure a homogeneous flow of the material, which will allow the tool crafter to then do the finished machine work, hand work, and necessary polishing to then reinstall the cavity into the master mold. The adjustable XY table allows the operator to also move the part as he's performing the welding to give him the greatest flexibility in applying the particular laser technology to the part. You'll notice that the part is actually being held by the magnetic jig, which is strong enough to hold this large part and give the operator the ability to use both hands simultaneously without needing to hold the piece. The laser is foot pedal operated, and therefore he can choose when he wants to trigger it. He's looking at it through a 15x microscope, which gives him precision accuracy using the crosshair targeting device in the system as well. Once the part is complete, he can release the part from the magnetic jig and prepare the machine for the next application. Argon gas is used during this process.